guys, I wonder, like really like, it's like cave, I don't think so that one is cave, but it's kind of interesting, it's nice. It's a really high rock, the big rock. This way go to Punching area. Yeah. Just press. Some people will come from here for just running, walk. Wow, it's nice plant. So refreshing greenery, when you see this kind of green trees, green plants, your eyes must be the very, relaxed, soothing, and then peaceful feeling. Yeah, sometimes, if we see the natural things, it's better to see the natural things when some people may feel stress, and then, if you see the natural things, it little bit helps to stress away, like, because greenery, I just searched, if you see the green plants, green trees, when you have a headache, something like, sometimes I have a migraine headache, so either I used to see the green trees, green plants, and sit down in a peaceful environment, and then a little bit I can relieve, I can feel it. It happened to me, and it really works, I'm not joking. Which is the green trees, it definitely brings you positive vibes. Yeah, so definitely the nature also help us to encourage our life also, and also it keeps the eye refreshing, healthy, guideline. Yeah, we can rent it, this one from here, for 1 hour, 2 hour, how many, hour. People used to come from the far away just for riding the cycle. I don't know also actually how to ride the cycle. I need to learn, So that's why, guys, I'm walking all the time. Like, I should also learn. Here mostly people are, using the cycle here. So definitely it's better to, sometime if we are in a hurry, if you have a cycle, then it will be more convenient. But sometimes exercise, too much exercise, by walking, I need to go work also, better need to learn the cycle. This flower always, whenever I pass this way, always makes me feel, makes me feel, sorry, my tongue slip, happy. Yeah, seeing the green, we need to see this green things, and our mind and our soul, our heart, eyes, everything is, feels good. If it feels good, definitely the health also feels good, but that's only not important. We need also healthy. We need to take also healthy things like the green vegetables. Yeah. This is the way of water is, I mean the rain is not so much big rain, just a small rain. So without umbrella, I'm just walking and doing video. Sorry guys, I will catch you later.